in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off color filters on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, select color filters. Scrolling down versus color filters, you can toggle this to the off position as you see on my screen to disable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.